Welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Savangi in our e-learning classes. Dear students, I am your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sayed. Today in Standard 5th, we will see data handling. Data handling means pictograph and telemarks. Let's see. This is a pictograph. Okay, here one picture of book represents three books. Okay, so now here the name of students and number of books are given. We have to count how many books each students are having. Now Charmi, she is having 2 books. So what we do, we multiply 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. So she is having 6 books. Pranav, 3 3 6 are 3 3s are 9. So Pranav is having 9 books. Hina is having 1 book. So we multiply 1 by 3. 1 3s are 3. Aru is having 3 books. So 3 3s are 9 again. Anvesha is having 4 books. So what we do? We multiply 4 by 3. 4 3s are 12. Karan is having 2 books. So we multiply 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. Understood, dear students? In this way we solve pictograph. Now let's see one more example on pictograph. Here James, he repairs cars. Okay, the number of cars he repaired in the whole week it is given, and here one picture of this vehicle represents 6 cars. So accordingly what we do, we have to multiply one picture by 6. Okay, now let us see the questions. How many cars did Mr. James repair on Monday? So dear children, on Monday three vehicles are given. So what we do? We multiply this by 6 because one vehicle represents 6 cars. So 3 6 are 18. So on Monday he repaired 18 cars. On which day the maximum number of cars were repaired? Maximum number, where do you find more cars? Yes, Thursday. Okay, did he repair 30 cars on Wednesday? Let's see. On Wednesday, only 2 vehicles are given. So what we do? We multiply this by 6. So 2 6 are 12. On Wednesday, he repaired 12, not 30. So answer will be no. On which day Mr. James didn't do any work? Which day you find no car, no vehicle? Yes, Sunday. Sunday is a fun day, no work, holiday. How many cars did he repair on Friday and Saturday? Friday and Saturday, total 448 pictures. So 8 into 6, that is 48 cars. Okay. How many more cars did he repair on Thursday than Wednesday? Thursday and Wednesday. Wednesday 2 and Thursday we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 5 cars more on Thursday. So 5, we multiply 5 by 6. 5 6 are 30. So on Thursday he repaired 30 more cars. Okay dear students, understood this? Let's see telemark now. Using telemark we have to represent, which represents the 8. 8, where do you find 8? Which is the correct tally? First one? No, we don't use circle. B1, we make a pair of 4 and 1 slant line. C1, no, because we are having 5 standing line and 1 slant line. That is wrong. D1, yes, here 4 friends they are carrying 1 friend. This is correct. Okay, so D is the correct option. Here, the marks out of 10 obtained by 28 students in a mathematics test are listed as below. We have to find the number of students who obtained marks more than or equal to 5. So we have to count this. By counting, the answer is 16. Okay, you have to count 1, 2, 3, more than 5. 5 or more than 5. Okay. Now, in question number 2 above, the number of students who scored marks less than 4. Less than 4, now you will count student obtaining 0, 1, 2 and 3 mark. So the number is 10. Okay dear students. Now, the choices of fruits of 42 students in a class are given. apple, banana, grapes, mango and orange. So how many students like apple? Let us count. That is 9. Banana 8. Grapes 8. Mango 10. And oranges 7. So question is, which two fruits are liked by an equal number of students? Where do you find equal number of students? Yes, banana and grape. So option D is correct. According to data of question 4, which fruit is liked by most of the students? Many students. Where do you find many students? Yes, mango. Mango is liked by many students. Okay, dear students, you have understood this? Let's move to tally mark. We have to represent this in tally. Okay, 4 friends carrying 1 friend. Okay, 4 standing line and 1 slant line. A1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how do we represent 6? First, 4 standing line, 1 slant line. This is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. B1 is 4. So only 4 standing line. C1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means, yes, group of 5. Okay, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, dear students. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means 5 plus 3. Okay, 5 is 4 standing line. 4 friends, they are holding 1 friend. This is 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then E1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means 5 plus 2. 4, 5 and this 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. F1, 3. So only 3 standing line. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means set of 2 5s. Okay, 4, 5. 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, dear students, isn't tally interesting? Last one is 2. So only 2 standing line. In this way, we represent tally marks. Hope so you have understood this. Okay, let's see an assignment. In assignment, what you have to do? You have to solve this question in your notebook. You have to arrange the given information using tally marks. Okay, this you have to represent using tally. This is from your worksheet. Okay, fine students. This you will do in your notebook. One more question. This also you will represent in form of tally. Number of different vehicles passing through a busy crossing is given. Okay, 9 to 10 a.m. This again you will represent in tally. This both question you will solve in your notebook. Hope so you have understood this. Thank you. Have a nice day.